Hello viewers, welcome to Drive and Fish. Today in this video we're going to unbox MI Composition Scale 2. Basically it's a smart scale. Now let's see what's there in the box. Come on, let's dive in. So now our smart scale is on. Now it's time to test this scale. So to make use of this composition scale you need MI Fit app, and it's very simple. All you need to do is just stand on that, make sure you touch all the 4 points with your foot, and the weight is measured. Once your weight is measured, the sensors analyze your vital signs and provide you a body score. It's capable of capturing roughly 8 vital signs, and apart from these vital signs it's capable of providing you several other parameters such as your body age, ideal weight, and it has got built-in analytics to track your weight loss and your weight gain, and it even tracks your body fat changes. And I think it's really nice, and it's a perfect companion if you're a fitness freak. And if you like this video, click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye.